Adani Green is ready for the world's largest renewable energy project. Adani Green Energy plans to invest 1.5 lakh crore over the next 5 years to enhance the capacity of Khavda Renewable Energy Project in Kutch, Gujarat to 30 gigawatt. अगर हम बात करें प्रोजेक्ट की ओवरव्यू की, इट्स लेड बाय बिलियनर गौतम अदानी. द कंपनी एम्स टू कंस्ट्रक्ट द वर्ल्ड्स लार्जेस्ट रिन्यूएबल एनर्जी प्रोजेक्ट स्पैनिंग 538 square kilometer on barren land in Khavda. Within a year of commencement, 2 gigawatt of the total 30 gigawatt plant has already been operationalized. अगर हम additional investment की बात करें, besides the Khavda project, Adani Green will invest 50,000 crores in 6 to 7 gigawatt renewable energy projects or at other locations by 2030. Adani New Industries will invest 30,000 crores, taking the group's total invest to 2.3 lakh crores. अगर हम फ्यूचर प्लान्स की बात करें, the company plans to add about 4 gigawatt in the current financial years, reaching 6 gigawatt by March 2025. In the subsequent years, an additional 5 gigawatt will be added annually. So this company is working towards generating massive power for India. किस तरह की एनर्जी प्रोड्यूस करेंगे? Wind energy. Alongside solar energy, the Khavda project is installing wind energy capacity with power generations expected to start later this year. This will increase the Adani operating portfolio to 10.9 gigawatt with a target of 45 gigawatt of renewable energy by 2030. The company has comprehensive financial management plan for the next 7-8 years, outlining annual financing requirement and matching them with the various furnished method. ये तो हो गए बात स्टॉक की by the fundamentals कि क्या ग्रोथ है इस पर्टिकुलर स्टॉक में. मैं आपको दिखाना चाहती हूँ कि प्राइस एक्शन, हाउ डज द प्राइस लुक लाइक. द स्टॉक हैज बीन really performing well in spite of all Adani stocks. In spite of its correction, it's almost bounced back quite a bit. अभी क्या लगता है कि मुझे ये it's ready for a fresh breakout. Adani Green Energy is ready for a fresh breakout. You can create a buy above 1950 and your first target is going to be the high of this candle, which is 2014. Agar 2014 is crossed, you can see the target of 2100, 2200, 2300, 2400, 2500 looks immediate target for within next 6 months. So keep it on radar. With a lot of growth prospect, you can expect good returns in Adani Green. But do manage your money. Do plan before you invest. All the best.